often mistaken for chamomile, pineappleweed, or Matricaria matricariodes, is a close sister and is an annual plant. It grows from May to September. Pineappleweed may be confused with young mayweed chamomile. However, the mayweed does not emit a pineapple-like odor when crushed. Additionally, mayweed chamomile grows much taller than pineappleweed. This wild edible weed grows in many countries in the northern and southern hemisphere, and in some places is nicknamed the streetweed. Pineappleweed is native to parts of Northeast Asia and northwestern North America. There are some out there who believe this species may have been brought to North America by Paleolithic peoples as a food plant. While this remains to be substantiated, there is no doubt that this is one adaptable species. Now nearly global in its distribution, pineappleweed thrives in some of the harshest habitats imaginable for such a small plant. Its tough stem can handle a lot of foot traffic, making it a common sight along roadsides, city walkways, and of course, playgrounds. The blooms are attractive to tiny syphrid flies, but it is not quite known if they are effective pollinators or not. Pineappleweed is also an annual, and each disc of flowers can produce thousands of sticky little seeds. This is how this species gets around. Its seeds stick to everything from animal fur to shoes and even car tires. Distinguishing features. Pineappleweed looks like chamomile only without the flower petals. It is a low-growing plant with finely divided foliage that gives off a pineapple smell when crushed. Flowers. Pineappleweed has a cone-shaped or rounded non-rayed, composite flower head that is yellow-greenish in color. It resembles chamomile only without the white rays. Leaves. Pineappleweed leaves are finely divided into narrow, feathery segments. They grow alternatively along the stem and average from 2–4 centimeters long. Leaves are hairless. Height. This plant grows to about 30 centimeters tall. Habitat. Pineappleweed grows in almost all waste areas and sometimes in between sidewalk cracks. Pineappleweed is an amazing plant which seems to thrive in abused soil such as dirt roads, driveways, and other dry or sandy soil locations. Edible parts. Pineappleweed flowers and leaves are a tasty finger food while hiking or tossing salads. Flowers can also be dried out and crushed so that it can be used as flour. As with chamomile, pineappleweed is very good as a tea. Pineappleweed flowers may become bitter by the time the plant blooms, but are still good to eat. Other name. False chamomile. Similar plants. Roman chamomile, mayweed chamomile.